rectangular resolution of a vector. If R equals vector A plus vector B plus vector C, then R is the resultant of vector A, vector B and vector C. But A, B and C, these three vectors are the components of. कंपोनेंट्स का मतलब ये कि वो वेक्टर जितने वेक्टर से मिलके बना उसे बोलते हैं कंपोनेंट्स. एंड वन मोर थिंग, अ वेक्टर may have its infinite components. A vector may have an infinite components, but useful नहीं, कोई फायदा नहीं. Which components will use? We will find the two components of vector. We will find two components of a vector which are perpendicular to each other. Yes, we will find the two components of vector which are perpendicular to each other, and this kind of resolution is called rectangular resolution of a vector. This kind of resolution is called rectangular resolution of a vector. See, resolve a vector A equals 100 Newton, making an angle 30 degree with x-axis into two components means along x-axis and along. We have to resolve a vector A whose magnitude is 100 Newton and it makes an angle 30 degree with x-axis into two components, x component and y component. See, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Scale I will take 20 Newton equals 1 centimeter, then 100 Newton equals, yes, it is given that 100 Newton, so magnitude of the line will be 5 centimeter and it will make an angle 30 degree with x-axis. This is x-axis, y-axis, and this is the length of this arrow is 5 centimeter and it makes an angle how much? Theta equals 30. Okay? This is origin. So how to find its component? Draw one perpendicular on x-axis and one perpendicular from the tip of the vector on y-axis. This is said to be AX, component of A along x-axis, and this is AY, component of A along y-axis. This is component of A along x-axis and this is component of A along y-axis. OPM. Yes. Now measure this length. Now measure this. Suppose it is 6 centimeter. Suppose it is 3 centimeter. Yes. Suppose it is 3 centimeter. Then what is the length of this one? This component? 1 centimeter 20 Newton. Then 3 centimeter 60 Newton. So 60 Newton will be that horizontal component. Suppose the length of this one is 4 centimeter. Then 4 to the 80. Yes. This is the now we want to derive a formula for the same. See, in triangle OPM, cos cos theta equals base OM upon OP, but length of arrow represent the magnitude of vector. So cos theta equals OM AX upon A, or AX equals A cos theta, or AX equals A cos theta. Similarly, sin theta equals perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sin theta equals, ये rectangle है ना, rectangle, so whatever the length PM, the same length OM, so we can write it AY upon A. So AY equals A sin theta. So vertical component A sin theta, horizontal component A cos. Vertical component A sin theta and horizontal component A cos theta. Got it now? Suppose in any case, if if a force 50 Newton makes an angle 40 degree with y-axis, F, and it makes an angle 40 degree with y-axis, then perpendicular M, N, P, M, N. Now you know this will be component of F along y-axis, Fy, and this will be the component of F along x-axis. Got it? Got it now? Now see, in triangle OPM, cos theta equals base OM upon OP. We can write cos theta equals Fy upon F. So Fy equals, and sin theta equals MP upon, so MP equals OP sin theta. MP rectangle है तो जो वैल्यू इसकी वही इसकी, so Fx equals F sin, मीन्स पिछले डेरिवेशन में थीटा यहाँ था, पिछले डेरिवेशन में थीटा एक्स एक्सिस से था, तो वो एक्स एक्सिस वाला कंपोनेंट के साथ कॉस था, और अब ये जो थीटा है वो वाई एक्सिस के साथ है, तो वाई कंपोनेंट के साथ कॉस, मींस कॉस कौन सा कंपोनेंट होगा जिसके साथ एंगल बनेगा, और साइन दूसरा वाला। तो ये था रेक्टेंगुलर रिजोल्यूशन ऑफ अ वेक्टर। फॉर एग्जांपल, resolve a vector F equals 100 Newton which makes an angle 60 degree with x-axis. Yes, which makes an angle 60 degree with, say, rough diagram, this is theta. So cos component will be F cos theta, and sin component will be F sin theta. So Fx equals F cos theta, F 100 cos 60, so 50 Newton, and Fy equals F sin theta 100. So F sin theta equals F sin 60, sin 60, you know, root 3 by 2, so 50 root 3. Vertical component 50 root 3 and horizontal component, yes,